Hello and welcome to this video recording on Filmora. In this short video, I will show you how to import the clips on Filmora. First, you open Wondershare Filmora. You will see media, stock media, audio, titles, transition effects, filters, stickers, templates. Below that, you will see import. If you click on the import button over here, you will be able to bring in the videos. For example, I will bring in the first video. I just click on it and I will say create a proxy file. This will help you to get a smoother result if you don't have a lot of RAM. So generally you should say yes over here, and this is the clip that we imported. The clip that is there is already here. As you can see it in full quality. You can see it in half quality or 1/4 quality, right? These are the options. This is full quality, and this is how you import media on Wondershare Filmora. If this video tutorial helped you, please subscribe to the channel, which is YouTube. If you go to YouTube and then AX Santosh, I want you to subscribe to the channel right away. This is my channel and you will get the latest videos that I post on daily basis. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.